He's here.
What? No? Really?
Yes!
Oh my gosh. Getting ready for the execution. He knows what's coming. He's getting the hamster ball. Don't let him.
I got a gun.
What? No, I moved out of the way of that. That's stupid. Dab. Alright, let's finish him.
Your final wish. Oh, there it is!
No! Guys, we bullied him so much. When we land on him, we should just let him kill all of us.
Yeah, we should
Yeah.
be bad and then let him
Hello,
kill all of them.
Tetsunam.
Let's leave him behind.
There
They
he
cannot
is.
kill us
There he is.
in this game. Why you're going?
Bye, Parrot.
What, we're not gonna let him kill us?
Bye, Parrot.
No.
No!
Fuck you!
Oh my gosh, okay, he's shooting me. Guys, he's coming over, he's coming over. I think he's actually chasing me.
Oh, pissed off.
Don't do that.
He's here! I killed him, I had no choice.
Oh my
I saw
god.
him.
Wait, don't
He chased me!
Oh!
Oh, get ready, boy! Stay on there with him!
I
Oh, man, I
knocked
left
him
him on
down.
there.
He's right here, boys.
I feel so bad.
Use a banana. Press banana. Just spray banana. And then we sacrifice him.
No!
We've killed
Sacrificing
this
for
guy
banana.
like 5 times. He's probably pissed off some guy.
Ah, below. Weren't you dead? Okay, he's dead. Oh, don't blow me up! You blew me up.
I'm sorry. Ah!
Got one guy down. How did it miss? How does it miss? He's down,
You got him.
There's one more somewhere. Found him.
Oh, bottom left.
How did it miss? How does it miss? What?
There's two.
There's one, he's last one. Yes! Yes!
nice.
Yes!
Yeah.
That was good! That was good.
Artillery!
Awesome.
Dude, I found him!
Stop it
You
here.
got him?
I want to make peace.
We're sorry.
Yeah, you're on the wrong chat. You gotta click tab.
What?
He got up by a bot. No!
No!
Oh!
That guy's not having a good day.
Oh.
I got my hamster ball. Goodbye, suckers.
Oh, I got one too.
Let's get out
Oh,
of
there's
here.
another one.
Ha ha ha!
Beautiful.
Goodbye,
Let's
Snowy!
get it.
Bye,
Oh.
Snowy! Bye! Bye, Snowy! Oh, there's another one for you.
Shoot it.
We got another one. You know what?
Shoot it.
There's another one over here.
There's a third
I didn't mean to hit mine. Go! Oh, there's another one. Why is there so many hamster balls?
Yeah.
It's just steal mine.
Yeah, you steal yours. Welcome to Grand Theft Royale.
Welcome to Grand Theft Hamster Ball.
It's good. I now got the good boy.
Dude,
Oh no, that's dinner.
That's dinner.
No.
Hey, you are what you eat. If you eat him, you'll become faster.
That's the Australians that fought the.
Hey, no.
You gotta
He
take
needs to
care of
learn
me, man.
discipline.
Some of my-
Parrot, no.
There we go. Look how good he looks.
Parrot!
No, look. He's lean and mean and ready to fight.
No.
No! Oh shoot, I can't help you. Oh! What? I was out of the
Oh.
storm.
I think we should leave Parrot like that because he looks battle scarred.
Yeah.
Okay, I see how you feel.
It happens.
Every day, emus are abused and mistreated. They are forced to suffer under the harsh conditions of neglect, violence, and carelessness. With 1 penny a day, you could save an emu's life so that they can be provided the treatment and care that they deserve. Please, don't let these poor creatures suffer like this. Call today and learn how you can further help save emus' lives, or visit our website at www.emuslives.org. With 1 penny a day, you could save these beautiful creatures from the suffering they endure. Please, donate, call now, or visit our website today to learn more. With your help, we could save emus' lives.
The last person's right here.
Guess what? He's about to get splat.
Oh,
Oh my gosh! Yo, let's go. I got the whole squad down. Oh my gosh! No, keep it going! Let me get all the kills! Let me get them all! Let me get them all! You're not leaving! 10 kills! 10 kills! Holy freaking shoot!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's one person in here.
Die! Die! It's for the...
Okay.
Woo! We won in North America!
We
guys!
won in North America!
Whoa! Praise banana!
Banana
Yeah,
around
no.
the strawberry, dude.
Strawberry isn't cool. Bananas!
Banana!
You must wear a banana.
Strawberries.
I'm gonna keep praising banana in the middle of the road.
Someone looks at you and just snipes you down like no.
Yeah, I want to
Little
do that.
Person! It's the sheep! It's the sheep! They went around!
I am one. I'm probably like 1 or 2 more wins away from getting the Parrot, so I'm gonna play like a couple more games to get that done.
Oh,
176
let's
out of
see.
185. Yep, I'm doing
What
one more.
color are you?
I'm gonna do a messy landing. I don't even care. I just gotta land somewhere, kill a couple players, get the points. That's all I gotta do. Come on. What are they teaming? Dude, shoot, shoot, shoot. Come on. There we go. Idiot. Ha, you tried. Why are you still alive? There we go. Alright, alright. Time out. I said time out! Son of a gun. Looks like I need... No, I've got it!
You already got it.
I've got it, I've got it! Oh my gosh, finally! After all the waiting, after all the grinding, Super Parrot is now mine.